Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to simplify your meal planning and discover delicious new recipes, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring some of the best meal planner and recipe apps available for Android that can help you create nutritious meals with ease. Let's dive in. iCook Meal Planner VE Recipes. iCook is a comprehensive app designed to help users plan their meals and discover new recipes. With a user-friendly interface, iCook allows you to create weekly meal plans based on your dietary preferences and goals. The app features a vast database of recipes sorted by categories, making it easy to find dishes that suit your taste. Users can save their favorite recipes, create shopping lists based on their meal plans, and even track their nutritional intake. The app also offers cooking tips and a meal reminder feature, making it a convenient choice for anyone looking to streamline their cooking routine. Mealo Meal Planner VE Recipes. Mealo is another excellent app that focuses on meal planning and easy access to diverse recipes. It provides a simple way to organize your meals for the week while catering to dietary requirements such as vegetarian, vegan, or gluten-free options. Users can customize their meal plans by selecting recipes they want to try and generating shopping lists automatically from the selected recipes. Mealo also features portion control tools, helping users manage serving sizes effectively. Its intuitive design and personalized approach make it an ideal app for busy individuals or families looking to simplify their cooking and meal prep. Meal Planner Food Diary. Meal Planner Food Diary is designed to assist users in planning meals and keeping track of their food intake. This app offers a straightforward way to create meal plans while providing options to log nutritional information. Users can record their meals daily and monitor their calorie consumption to stay aligned with their health goals. The app suggests recipes based on the ingredients you have at home, ensuring that you make the most of your pantry items. Additionally, it features a meal history and analytics, allowing users to visualize their eating habits over time. Its focus on detailed tracking makes it a useful tool for anyone aiming to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of top meal planner and recipe apps has inspired you to take control of your cooking and meal prep. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more app reviews and culinary tips. Which app are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments. See you next time.